Welcome to today's video where we'll take a quick tour around the world to explore some of the most well-known military firearms used by different countries. From rifles to machine guns, these weapons are a crucial part of national defense arsenals. Let's dive in. United States. In the United States, some of the most iconic firearms include the M16 and M4 carbine, which are the backbone of the infantry. The M249 SAW, or squad automatic weapon, provides essential firepower in combat situations, and the M240 machine gun serves as a versatile and powerful tool in the hands of the military.